Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to Test Prep Training. Today, we will discuss about Residential Building Inspector, Tutorial and Preparatory Guide. Let's see how you can start preparing for the exam. The Residential Building Inspector certification is provided by ICC. International Code Council. Certification exams provide the candidate with the opportunity of getting professional recognition. Also, by being certified, the candidates are able to demonstrate their knowledge of the various construction codes and standards. Benefits includes 1. Openings and career advancement. 2. Dormant increase in salary. 3. Authenticating your technical expertise. 4. Professional recognition. 5. Being marketable in your job search. Exam details. This exam has an exam ID, B1. The exam is an open book exam. The candidate will be given 2 hours to successfully complete the exam. Also, there will be 60 questions. The exam method will be computer-based testing and proctored online testing. The ICC examination fee will be $219. The candidate can register for the exam on the ICC website, as well as at Pearson VUE. Now, we will discuss about course outline. 1. Code administration, which comprises of 4% weightage in exam. 2. Building planning, which comprises of 8% weightage in exam. 3. Footings and foundations, which comprises of 16% weightage in exam. 4. Floor construction, which comprises of 14% weightage in exam. 5. Wall construction and coverings, which comprises of 27% weightage in exam. 6. Roof, or ceiling construction, which comprises of 14% weightage in exam. 7. Public safety and special construction, which comprises of 17% weightage in exam. Exam policies. Results for examinations, taken online, or at a testing site, are available immediately after completion of the examination. For national and UST or AST certification exams, the candidate will have 6 exam attempts within a 6-month period. They are responsible for paying the exam fee at every attempt. Once they have attempted an exam 6 times, they must wait 6 months from the first attempt to register again. Now, let's discuss about preparatory guide. 1. Visit the official website. Touring the ICC official website is an important step while preparing for the exam. Also, the official website provides a lot of essential information and sources which is very helpful in preparing for the exam. 2. Refer the exam guide. Before starting your preparation, it is very important to know the course structure and exam guide. 3. ICC Learning Center. The candidate can also go to ICC Learning Center. The ICC Learning Center offers training programs on every exam. The ICC Learning Center provides programs for a particular exam that contain all information on the exam, such as description, intended audience, delivery method, duration, etc. 4. Join a study group. Joining a group study, or an online community, will also be useful for the candidate. It will help them to do more hard work. Also, studying in the group will help them to stay connected with the other people who are on the same pathway as them. 5. Evaluate with free practice test. Practice tests are the one which ensures the candidate about their preparation. The practice exam test will help the candidates to acknowledge their weak areas so that they can work on them. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.